In the name of Allah, hi everyone. Today I want to show you in this video how to remove password from PDF file. Unlock PDF. Step by step learning. Alright, let's jump on the PC.
So before I start, let me clear one thing. This only work when you know your password. For example, I have a password file here and each time I have to type this password to open this file. Okay. So I want to remove the password production. Okay. So just follow the easy step. First make a folder, then move PDF to folder. PDF open with Chrome browser and then press ctrl+p to go to print option like this. And here on the printer select Microsoft Print to PDF and then select all and simply click on print, give the file name. I will do the final like this and save it. Okay, close it. Now we have saved one file, so just open it and boom, that's it. Your password is gone. So this is an easy way to removing password from PDF. Unlock PDF. That's it. It's very simple. As you can see, this is a password product file. With my password I have created one more file. This one. So it's already removed the password. So that's it. It's a very easy way. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you next video. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.